garage door security secrets that thieves hope you never, ever know about. And listen, the garage door is more than just a way to get in and out and park your car. It can be a major access point to your home. Thieves know it. So don't leave your remote in the car. It sounds harmless, but if a thief breaks into your car, even in your own driveway, they've got a key to your home. They can go through that front door or the garage door into your house. Also, cover the windows. If your garage has windows, you're giving burglars a free peek into some of the items you might have in there, and what valuables may be there may be gone when you're gone. So cover the windows. Disable the emergency release when you're away. This was a wow for me. We have those cords that you pull, so if the power's out, you can get out of the garage. Well, thieves can get, especially if you have a window in the garage, they can break the window. Then they take a wire of some sort and they hook it around that cord that releases the garage door, and once they released it, they got into your garage. And if your door to your house is unlocked, they walk in. So always remember to lock that interior door from the garage to your home. Also install motion detectors, lights outside that sense when someone's walking up to your garage. That way it comes on and could scare them. You might want to upgrade to a smart garage opener. The modern openers let you control and monitor your garage from your phone, so you'll know if the garage door is open or not. You want to reinforce the garage door. Many garage doors can be kicked in with minimal effort, so make sure the garage has some stability to it. Don't advertise your absence if you're going on vacation. That's a no-no. Wait till you get back to post the pictures on social media. And one of the things I think that's really important is get a video camera in the garage that you can monitor from anywhere in the world. There's many of them out there now. I just actually started doing some searches to see if there's anything new, and they've come down in price. And I think this might be the time, if you're thinking about it, to go ahead and get some video surveillance on your house, and in the garage as well will help. Those are some of our tips to keeping your home safe and secrets that thieves hope you do not know about.